everyone. So, maglalaro tayo ng Kapitan Ligtas. So, nalala ko na to. Ito yung high score ko. Mas mababa ba kay Eliana Yumul. So, shout out sa iyo sa pagiging mas magaling sa akin.
Uy, Lee! Mukhang may nangangailangan ng tulong ng Kapitan Ligtas.
Ay, hindi yung boses niya. Hindi yung boses niya! Hindi yung boses niya. Ay, lakas. Pass yung game. Ipapass yung game. Tanggalin ko muna tong sounds.
That is the one that
Ayun. Okay, astig.
Master telling
So,
that
this
there
is me,
a
Zion, and I'm back from YouTube.
that is
Eh,
full of notifications.
I'm sorry for calling YouTube drunk. It's because I didn't know they actually... Why did that just backshot me? I hope this was in Roblox, by the way. Bakit nakadikit lang yung lang ang arm niya? Alam niya yung uy, kinuha ng mga langaw? Bakit kinuha ng mga langaw? Ayun!
Maybe it is
Ay, mamamatay ako dito. Ayun.
Wait. I remember
Ay, yung boss. Ay, namatay na agad yung boss.
Honeymoon place for new
Doon sa yung damit. Ay, hindi ko kailangan yung mga yan. Hindi ko kailangan yung mga yan. Kailangan ko yung sundata. Nasaan na yung sundata? Ay!
Sorry.
Sa ihano ko yung yan yung totoong pangalan ko. Medyo rare. Milky na choco.
It's what humans do.
Paano pwede ako mag-live dito? Ayun! Pwede ako mag-live dito. Ay, anong oras na ba? Ay, 11:35. Namatay na bigla. Namatay na lahat ng mosquito! Nasaan na yung pagsundata? Nasaan na yung sundata? Ay, dali. Huwag niyo ako patayin! Walang pake yung mga mosquito. Kasi nag-ano sila ng dengue. Alam niyo naman, pangit yung dengue. Na-test ko na to. So, sorry kung narinig yung totoong boses ko.
I want to see that house.
Ayun!
What is the name of that house?
Nagiging immune ako sa mga mosquito kapag dinodge ko lang yung mga green. Kita niya naman yan na green eh. At yung mga mosquitoes! Hindi ko na-dodge yung green. Ay, malaki na tong problema. Problema sa buhay.
Oh, really?
Ay, ayun. Nasa na yung damit kasi. Kapitan Ligtas. Ayun na pala yung
You bring us You bring us there. We want to
Learn.
see it. Come
Learn.
on, guys, let's go. Do you want to
Eh.
see it? Just for fun. Just for fun.
Hmm.
Let's see it. You go there.
Yung
You go
nag-English
there, we will-
nanay ko.
No. The house that you're telling me.
Nagmamaster di siya. Tulad ko, joke
The
lang.
house that you're telling me.
Kakayahan
Let's go.
tumira sa
Let's
malayo
just
at
see the place.
umiiwas
I'm so
sa
curious
sandata
about it. Guys, are you
ng
ready?
pangunahing
Let's go.
character. Para swan
Milan,
dito.
can you bring us there? We will jump. We will go.
And
No,
always trust the
no.
officials.
We will go to the place where he is. Where he is very curious about. I think it's cool.
Ang lakas kapag may sounds.
Wait. Mas Milan, it's not your house. It's the house that that someone is selling with
Sa
bad pictures. I am curious about it. You will bring us there.
narinig ba sound
You said
effects?
you put that in favorite. Okay. Let's see. I want to see that. It's Daddy's home now. All right. Let's go. Let's go there, guys. Be open-minded. Let's go. I will follow you, Mulan.
Ay, ayun.
Okay.
Ayun. Dapat walang echo. Yung boss.
Go, guys.
Always kill the boss first. Ayun. Nasaan na ka sa? Nawawala ako. 2,220 lang yung high score ko.
Zion, stop na. Akit na.
Back.
Uy, Lee! Mukhang may nangangailangan ng tulong kami ng ligtas.
Ayun. Back. Masyado kasi maingay eh. Masyado malakas. Nakakasira ng tenga. Nakakasira ng tenga kasi ng kanina. Ay!
Oh, nice.
Kaya tayo ng high score ko.
You see? You don't have to
Wait lang.
anymore.
Naghahanap ako ng tutorial kung paano mag-share ng Kapitan Ligtas. Wala. Walang tutorials. Wala, bumalik. Ayun. Patayin natin yung mga mosquitoes.
So, yeah, even the fan. Nice. Oh, what is it? Oh my God. I'm now. So, you see.
Uminom pa ako habang nandito pa yung shield ko.
For 200
Touch lang natin yan. Touch natin lahat ng mga mosquitoes at mga
Don't you like it?
green.
It's very futuristic and very entertaining. Are you sure?
Oh no.
It's just kidding.
Doctor, mapagaling ka. Please.
Yeah.
Ay,
This is beautiful,
sa mga
but then the bad side is
ito lang yung pinaka high score ko.
you know,
Wait lang. Punta ako sa Facebook. Manila
maybe you should
Health
edit
Department.
because
Ayun.
yeah.
Manila Health Department.
Where? Can I see?
La. Memers only. Nakita mo yung distracted boyfriend dun?
This one?
Ay,
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Kapitan Ligtas.
Yeah. And it's beautiful. But it's floating. But it's floating. You see? It's floating.
Wait lang.
Yeah. But you know,
Ligtas.
yeah.
Ay! Ayun, Manila Health Department. Follow.
when when yeah.
Lang.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Hindi ko kasi.
Most of the boys maybe will buy this one. Yeah, I already saw it, and I think it's the what do you call this? The fan and the door is this it has a bug. However, the picture I don't know if it's a bug. Of course, Uncle is already buying this. He put more by really. Yeah. That the inside picture. Uh,
Okay. Copy natin.
you know, I didn't see
Tapos
the face
inano
of
natin sa
Kaitla.
Google Play.
Only you, I can see. Ah, talaga. I don't know. Maybe the sun. No, it's not Guamo because Guamo doesn't make things like this.
Maganda po itong
Uh-huh.
laro. Pero
Yeah. Guamo will not make this house because I know the works of Guamo, but I believe that a developer made this one. Developer.
okay. So, maglaro kayo nito. Sponsor ko to. Magkakapera kayo dito. For real. Sabi yun ng teacher ko. Teacher ko pa. Tubig.
Mm-hmm. Why you put if you put picture of your nephew here in the comfort room?
No.
You know,
Why?
uh, That picture supposed to be the comfort room. You know why? The picture in the background of this picture. You know why?
Yes, kill them. Kill
It's very
them.
naughty. You know why? I will never explain. You already know that.
Gawa ni Naughty.
That is intended to the boys.
It's okay, sister. Most of the player not enter and not deeply see a picture. Someone player go to inside and see a picture.
Yeah, but
Ayun.
okay. For a
Nagiging
moment,
mas
for a
higher.
moment.
But
Kasi,
are you
dito,
tell are you check this one problem?
wala ako magkakaroon ng pera
I
na
spend
game kay
some
Elina
go
Yumul.
inside and see the picture.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
not good, sister. It's not good.
Yeah. It's
Tas,
really not good. And
tapos,
I will make a
ano
report
ko
on
na
this
tong recording. Recording lang hindi na laro.
because
Gusto ko pa maglaro.
it's really weird for 200. Okay.
Yeah, and 200 grams, not a free.
Actually, it's you're buying
200 grams pink gems.
Ito,
They are pink gems.
ba?
200 house and 200 this one playground.
actually you're
Ay,
buying
hindi
not
ito.
the house. You're buying the pictures because
Ay, hindi ito yun.
you see there there's a beautiful house which is free, and there's a beautiful house which is not free but has lots of beautiful pictures. That's why it's 200. You pay for
Oh,
the pictures, right? But anyway, just kidding.
Hi. Ano yung
I
description
will
ni
consider
Kapitan
that
Ligtas?
this will be reported because there's a lot of children playing mass.
Sister, are you go to your house and go to combination.
Hindi ako kumakain. Ay, kakain nga ako.
Go to user home
Hindi ako kumakain pero kakain ako.
and go to
Gusto ko maging matalino.
Yes.
So, alam niya na kinakain ko.
this one house, White House.
Okay. I will.
Siyempre, paper bag ito, hulaan nyo.
In building a lot of house, you
Hulaan nyo na.
but
Ay, siyempre naman. Ito ay, hindi ito french fries ha. Hindi, healthy in french fries. Mani. Mani.
Okay.
Kung french fries sagot nyo, mani sagot nyo. Gets nyo? Mani sagot nyo.
don't delay, sister. You delayed, then I lost my 200 gems.
Really? So delete. Okay.
Delete only picture, not a house.
Have you deleted one like this?
Yeah, then you delete house, then I no problem. I have a no problem picture. Picture, no problem.
Okay.
Ay, homing talaga
Thank you,
yung...
Milan, for this one. I will
Homing
report it
itong
now.
ano,
So I
itong
will
galit na
I will
maliit.
leave you guys here
Itong
with
matapang.
this beautiful house and with Milan.
Hindi yan si Kapitan Ligtas ha.
I will go
Kaya
now
mong cutter.
and I will report this movie. Thank you, Milan. Um, thank you, Milan. Nice talking to you again. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Heart. Scarlet Cake and the rest of the guys. Here. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sister. Take care.
Isang hawak ng... Paano kaya gumawa ng laro? Kahit ganito lang. Paano kaya?
Bakit ko na din? Bakit ka na?
Kumakain pa ako eh.
Dami ibig ng labas. Alas 12 na. Tama na.
Kumakain pa ako.
Tama na.
Grabe, mas mabilis. Dumit.
Good night.
Kaya mag-teleport.
Ay, anong oras na? You will be scheduled to crash on Saturday. Okay? Love you, Freedom. Love you, Queen. Love you, Freedom.
Eh,
Love you, Freedom. Good night. Good night.
wait lang. Kapag, ay! Doktor! Ang daming pumapot. Homing talaga yung brown. Homing. Homing yung brown, oh. Homing. Ano homing? Okay. Pero nangyayari talaga yun sa akin. Pero lalaki naman yung ano eh. Yung bumabalik sa akin. Hindi naman babae. Ito talaga homing. Pero kung yung tungkol sa mosquito. Wait lang. Ano yung pagsain? Kasi nga, papatay na to. And almost just 3 pesos. Mabilis in homing. Shimmy. Chan. Yes! Tatanggal talaga ni Doctor yung ano ko, no? Aminin mo.
Tama na.
Aamin yung Doctor.
Tama na, Zion.